Hi, my name is Robert Adams. Our law firm is Robert J. Adams and Associates. To let you know, we are bankruptcy attorneys, primarily personal bankruptcy attorneys. The purpose of this video is to discuss bankruptcy for homeowners. Homeowners, like any other group of people, periodically just get overwhelmed in debt, and you look for solutions. And bankruptcy could be an option, but you're worried about what happens to your house. Well, I want to, first of all, our firm, you can always call us and we can discuss your problem. We know the law as it applies to homeowners. And to let you know, we service clients throughout Chicagoland, Chicago, Cook County, Waukegan, Lake County, and surrounding counties. Just to let you know. Okay, how about Chapter 7 for a homeowner? We have many homeowners who have filed Chapter 7 and have kept their house. The purpose of Chapter 7 is to get rid of all or almost all of your debts. To get a financial clean slate or fresh start. So you have to figure out, and as a homeowner, I file a Chapter 7 and keep my house. The test, first of all, is to determine the equity in your home. What is equity? Well, it's sort of a math problem. You start out with what is the market value of your home? Essentially, if you were to put your house up for sale, what would someone actually pay for? You might look on the internet, there are sites that give you very rough ideas. After one determines the market value, then you do a series of subtractions. You delete the mortgage balance and other liens. Then there's a whole series of other deductions you take into consideration. It's essentially what I call a hypothetical sale of your home. You don't sell your home, it's just hypothetical to see what would happen. After you determine what is left over, which would be proceeds if you were to sell your house, becomes a number. Then you see if it falls within Illinois homestead exemptions. What are exemptions? Well, the purpose exemptions are stuff you get to keep after you file a Chapter 7. In Illinois, the homestead exemptions are $15,000 for one person. It can be $30,000 for a married couple who own the house together. So you start with a hypothetical sale. What are the proceeds? Subtract the exemptions. If that is zero, then you can proceed to consider filing a Chapter 7. The other option, your overhead debt, is a Chapter 13. A Chapter 13 is a court administered plan to consolidate your debts and pay your debts over time. The repayment plans are usually 3 to 5 years. There are reasons why a homeowner may not file a Chapter 7. Sometimes you have just too much equity in your home. And you could lose your home in a Chapter 7. That's why you might do a 13. Sometimes you're just not eligible for a 13 for various reasons. And sometimes a homeowner files a Chapter 13 because a Chapter 7 doesn't fit their needs. When you file a Chapter 13, you keep your property like a house and car. All or the majority of your debts are discharged when you complete the Chapter 13. Your home is protected from foreclosure as long as you maintain paying your current monthly mortgage payments. The lawyers at Robert J. Adams and Associates will go over your options. You can choose what you consider to be what is best for you. Remember, our consultation is free, so call us. You have nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Now, this video is being recorded during the pandemic, and a couple things have changed. You could be behind on your mortgage and still no foreclosure. There's a moratorium on foreclosures. There are a few, but mostly there are none. This could be the ideal time to file a Chapter 7. Why? You get rid of all your unsecured debts, and you're left with only your mortgage debt. Sometime in the future, you may have to deal with it, but right now you don't. But in the future, when you do have to deal with it, you will not have any other debts. You may be able to modify your mortgage. You may be able to negotiate deferring the back payments, or you could even file a Chapter 13 after that. And yes, you can file a Chapter 13 anytime after you receive the discharge in your Chapter 7. Okay, well, I hope some of this has been helpful to you and may have answered some of your questions. As I say, you can always call us. We'll be happy to discuss your particular problem. I want to thank you very much for watching our video, and God bless you.